If you love making fun and easy holiday crafts, you're gonna love this video. And whether you're a beginner, a pro crafter, have a small business, or just a parent or grandparent trying to keep those kiddos busy, you're gonna wanna stick around.
If you guys have been watching my videos, then you're no stranger to the Liene PixCut S1 photo and sticker printer.
Created so many fun projects with this bad boy. One of my favorite things about this printer is that you can open the back, you can store your paper cartridge right into the back. Now this is going to be compatible with 4x7 sticker or photo paper. Got 4x7. You can also adjust it to be 4x6, but I'm going to use the 4x7 because I like to do a lot of projects in one. And then you can just insert it right at the bottom to get started. And I do like to take the front off just so you guys can see all the magic happening when it's printing.
Not only does it print, it also cuts the stickers for you, so you're not going to need scissors or anything like that to do any of the cutting.
You have your cartridge easily accessible right here. Now, this is a cartridge that I've been using. It looks like it's almost gone, so we're going to go ahead and replace the cartridge. Okay, here's that new cartridge. And I believe you can print up to 40 sheets of stickers. Oh, there we go. This started. For the first project, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree frame and we're going to snazz it up a little bit with a cute winter holiday feel.
So one of my favorite options in the Liene app, you know what, I don't know if my lighting is super bright in here or what, so if I'm like ghostly white, don't mind it, alright? I'm the ghost of Christmas future. Okay, so one of my favorite things on the Liene app is the AI lab, which helps you generate really fun pictures. Here, I'll show you.
Alright, so right here we're going to go to the AI lab, and there's different scenarios here that you can pick. There's like holiday options. I think I'm going to create, alright, let me go with this one, and then I'm going to upload my Pivots thing real quick, and it's going to generate the image. So the image that I'm using, it's going to AI create like a new holiday picture for us. Okay, well, it didn't actually do that. It just chose me, and I think that was obvious because it did say like Santa lady or just one lady. But if I wanted one of me just in a Santa Claus outfit, I could do that. So I guess I have to choose like the family one. So let me go back here. Look at all these options for Christmas stickers. Let me get back on track here. And then I guess I could do the golden Xmas portrait or the Christmas oil. I think I already did the oil style. Let me go ahead and do that one. Okay, so the back of this frame has this little part right here that you can take out. Okay, take that off. I'm going to use one of these wooden squares. It's nice and thin. And then I also got some magnets from Dollar Tree. I'm going to go to canvas, and then I'm going to do, let's see, I'm going to find a square. Are they square dancing? Hang on, let's go. Oh, never mind. We're going to shapes. Then we're going to do a square. Okay, and we're going to go right here. We're going to do image fill. Already messed with the picture that I wanted, okay? I am going to remove the background. You can remove the background if you want. The only thing is, it might be too big. Okay, I had to pivot a little bit. Oh, that one is so cute. Okay, we're definitely going to do this one. That is so adorable. And then I'm also going to create some text here. And we're going to put Lola and Kai. Now we can choose the font, and actually I think I'm going to do Kai and Lola. Font color, I'm going to pick white. And then the background, or I could do like a green. Okay, so then I can do this and do multi-select, tap on the other picture, or actually select all, done, and then it's going to create the entire picture. Okay, so I'm going to mess around and then I'll show you guys what the final picture is going to be. I'm going to use some vinyl. Okay, and I think I am going to like it with a little bit more white around. So I'm going to reprint it. And I think I'm going to reprint the 2025 separately as well. While I'm printing that new picture, I'm going to attach some magnets on here. All right, here's a new one. And it says Kai and Lola, and Lola is just a way of saying like grandma in like in the Filipino culture. One, I'm using this little wooden tray from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make it into a cookies for Santa tray. I'm going to do a circle, remove background, and then I do want to just print out some different stickers here. I'm going to do the elf one. Oh, that's cute. These are cute. All right, let's see. Cute, cute, cute. I just realized I left the word crop in there. It's okay. Okay, so for the next one, I am going to be creating my design on my desktop. I feel like it's just going to be a lot easier to get the design that I want. And then I am going to laminate a sheet, and then the other sheets I will print out with the sticker printer.
So that's my design right there. Do you want to build a snowman? And then I'm going to create all the other stuff like the nose, eyes, hats, scarves. So I'm going to do a bunch of different options that you can use to dress up a snowman. Let's see, I'm going to try to download these with a transparent background, and then once I upload them, I think I might be able to just like remove the background so that the stickers are individual. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Liene app, and then I'm just going to go home. Let's see, I'm going to go to the regular canvas. I'm going to upload images. Okay, here they are. Let me try the hats first, and then I'll do the remove background. Perfect. It should let me print just the individual pictures on their own. It worked! Yes! Alright, I'm gonna print it and just to test it out, okay? Make sure that it fits this size. These were actually right on the money. Okay, while the rest of my stickers are printing, I have my laminator going here, and I'm gonna take those 2 printouts that I made, and I'm gonna stick them in there to laminate them. Obviously, because I'm using the laminator. Haha. Okay, so this is super easy to just stick in there, and then that way you can use it multiple times. Okay. Ready?
I forgot to. No.
Cool. Okay, which hat are you gonna use?
This one.
That one? Okay.
I'll do it.
You gonna do it? Alright,
I did it.
very good. Good job.
It's so big. Whoa.
Ooh, cute. Are you gonna use a scarf like this?
Mm-hmm.
Hold it.
It didn't rip.
No, it didn't rip.
Like this.
Good job.
A little bit higher.
Now some gloves.
So cute!
Only has one dot.
Only one dot. Did you like it?
Yeah?
Silly elves, huh?
Yeah.
And I know Christmas is right around the corner, but a belated Christmas gift is better than no gift at all. So for any sales or discounts on the Liene PixCut S1 photo and sticker printer, make sure you guys check out the link in the description, as well as the links for all the other tools and supplies that I use in my videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you guys to give me a thumbs up. Leave me any questions or comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!